Ginger. I'm in her room, in the plant room, hanging out, making videos, doing some repotting, and just having a really great day off. Okay, I am still drinking. Put on this kimono, so, because I really want to be relaxed in my house. But this video is about showing you guys my top five favorite plants this year. And I am going to start off with, these are in no particular order. Oh, yeah, I'm still drinking this, okay? This is a rosé. If you have watched several of my videos prior to this one, then you've seen me with this rosé in my hand. And y'all like, damn, that's at the same bottle. I did not go with my husband, no. But I did ask him to go to Walmart and bring me back another bottle. So y'all know what this day is about. You can call me Olivia Pope because I'm about to pop me some popcorn and just go to town with this wine. Oh, it's so good. But anyway, my first plant that I loved in 2018 is this peace lily. And y'all look, she bloomed. She only gave me one bloom, and one stem came up, and I was very happy to see it. I will insert a clip of this when I first got her because she was still badly damaged, and you can see some of her leaves here are still damaged, and we do have a couple of dead leaves, and that happens. That just happens. So we got a few, and this one I just need to, it's been there forever, I need to clip it off. And this plant hangs out in my bedroom, and it is a great air cleaning plant. I absolutely love this plant, and what I love so much about it is that the first piece, people say all the time, peace lilies are easy, peace lilies are easy. I've killed 4 peace lilies. 4 little ones, very small ones, and I was like, ugh, all right, I guess I just suck at it. But I found this one in a BI-LO grocery store, and this one was severely damaged. It was dying. It was on its last leg, and they wanted like $13 to $15 for it. And I asked, I said, hey, this plant, is you guys gonna end up getting rid of it? It's like, it's dying. I'll take it if you can give me a discount on it. And they were really nice enough to give me 50% off. I will only water you when you tell me you need water. I repotted it in this container that I actually picked this up on clearance at Target. Picked that up, and I did not water this plant for 3 weeks. The leaves didn't bend, didn't do anything for 3 weeks, nothing. And it has just, once the leaves can, and this is why they say it's easy, because once the leaves completely droop, and I mean it has to be droop, like where you think it's dying, like that's what I do. I just wait for it to look like it's absolutely on, okay, you're gonna die if I don't give you any water. And that's how I water it, and I don't even check the soil. I just look at the leaves and do what they tell me to do, and we're doing great. Now, I do wish that, but I was really concerned about this being some type of disease with these yellow spotting all over it. But all the new foliage that comes up, it doesn't have it at all. And it has a ton. See if you guys can see this. It has a ton of new leaves coming out of it. So, yep. Yeah, real life. So, okay, so there's that one. Just put that aside. My next one. Favorite purchase of 2018. This Calathea. I love this plant, and it has not disappointed. It was this big when I found it. It was huge. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was well under $20. And it has just grown and grown and grown. And I tell people that, yeah, I put her in a wastebasket because I really wanted her to have a white container and I couldn't find one. And I didn't want to pay $30, $40. I didn't want the container to cost more than the plant. So she will probably remain in here as long as she's happy. She's just doing great, and I absolutely love this plant. Okay, so next one up is my where is it? Oh. Okay, so next up is my evergreen, my Chinese evergreen, and I'm sure there's another name for this. She's looking a little peaked right now, and I think I need to check her water. Yeah, probably need to, I don't know, she has this, still has this basket on her that I really want to get out. Oh, okay, she's covered with fungus gnats, I swear. Anyway, this is my favorite purchase, and you see she's looking a little peaked here, and I think this might be because of these fungus gnats. And so as soon as I get done with this, I will be doing some plant maintenance, and we're going to be topping them off with, I'm going to spray it down with pesticides. I'm going to try to smother them with sand. Hopefully I can. If I see a whole bunch, I'm either going to go so far as to repot her. I love this. I think I got this plant and this one the same day. I'm pretty sure I did. And she's just grown terrifically. And so that's why she's on my number 3 list. It's like, and I just love big plants, y'all. I just love it. So this one, love it. That's number 3. Number 4. Number 4 is my mother-in-law plant. Yes, and I love this plant because this is what is an easy plant. Okay, if this was like, hey, top 5 house plants that are easy and look good in your home, this one, baby, this one here would be number 1. She has did a little bit of growing. She has some. I would have to zoom in for you to see that. I'll do that and put a little clip up. But she has some new growth going on right now. This plant is so easy. She gives me no problems. I do have her. She doesn't have any gnat issues, anything going on, because she does have a layer of sand. Sand can be difficult just because once you get it wet, and this plant doesn't require a lot of water. So, you know, I water it maybe once or twice a month, and that's it. But the other plants, I drench them, and the sand turns over. It goes down in, and just a big mess. But this plant gives you no problems. This is just the easiest purchase, and it looks really good. I really do love this plant. And so this is also my number 4 favorite purchase of 2018. Oh, and it's heavy. Okay, so that brings me to number 5. And number 5 is actually not up here. Number 5 is my Miranda, my prayer plant, my, I don't know the name. It's a green light Miranda, which is downstairs in a hanging basket. And I would insert her in where this one is. And I just love this plant because, one, I just love the color of it. I love how these light green leaves are sparkle, and this is also what I consider an easy plant. It's a low light plant, but it's in my bright room up against a wall, so it gets indirect sunlight coming in off of it, and it just does great. It does really well there, and I have no issues whatsoever with this plant. Not saying that I have issues with a lot of plants, but y'all, I mean, I am still learning a lot to do with plants. I am no horticulture expert. I'm not a part of a society, but I do love this plant. Now, there are some honorable mentions. Real quick. Arrowhead plant. Arrowhead plant, I just gave this away in a giveaway. And one of the reasons why I gave this plant as a winner to the winner is because this plant is an easy plant to take care of. What my plant, I had this in my bathroom, and I thought it wasn't doing well, but the key was when I repotted it, the root ball was still in a tight ball as a fist, so the roots weren't spread out. So once I had figured that out, and I repotted it, made sure to separate the root system, this plant, and I've only done that for about, I think I did it 3 weeks ago. And y'all, I just look at the amazing new growth. I mean, I probably need to put up a comparison, but here's all let's see if I can get it in camera. Here's all the new growth down here. All these leaves that you see down here. With the exception of this one, are all new. So this is, I wouldn't say it's my top favorite, only because I had to do a little work to figure out what's going on with it. So that's the only reason why I didn't make it into the top favorite. Where the rest of them, I didn't. Even the peace lily, this, I had killed 4 prior to this one, but this one, once it had came into my home, was the easiest plant to take care of. Let me see if I can get a shot of everybody. So, okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Ginger, sit. Ginger, stick your head up. Come here, Ginger. Come here, Ginger. Look, here's Ginger, y'all. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I love making these videos. Please like, share, and comment. I'll see you next time for more drinking and planting. Bye.